Hi, this is Vizzy Pro Trade channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change primary currency on PayPal. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Changing your PayPal account currency is a simple process, and whether you want to switch to a foreign currency or simply update your domestic currency, it can be done in just a few steps. PayPal enables easy and secure transaction worldwide and simplifies the currency change process. On my previous video, I've shown you how to add currency on your PayPal account. So now, what if you want to change the primary currency on your PayPal account? It's very simple. First of all, of course, you have to upon our PayPal. You can log in into the website or on the application on your mobile phone or PC. Now, from here on home, you can go to here on the three dots over here. There is an option, Manage Currencies. You can select on that. And as you can see in here, my primary currency is USD, US dollar. Now I want to change, I want to switch. The primary currency is this one. So you can just select on the three dot beside the currency that you want to set as the primary. So there is an option, Make Primary. You can just select on that. Make primary. So now, you should be able to see your total balance in this currency in case of multiple currencies in wallet. You can select on Set as Primary. Now, you have set the British Pound is now as your primary currency on your PayPal account. It's very simple, right? So that is how to change your primary currency on your PayPal account. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.